in life and needed a wave of inspiration in life? Or when was it when you had lost all the hope and you happened to meet a person who understands you and leads you to the new direction in life? Or when was it that you thought that the person is just a waste of time? Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and distinguished guests.
Good evening.
When Mr. Rick Phillips met Mr. Lemon, he was a 16-year-old freshman at Houston Jackson Junior High, and he had really less chances of finishing his high school. Mind you, he was a troubled teenager with troubled teenagers around his neighborhood. Mr. Lemon used to teach Phillips American history. He thought that this teacher was quite different from the other teachers he had known. He was more practical and less into books, which Phillips liked. On the occasion of the first semester report cards, Mr. Lemon called Phillips and asked how come he fared in his subject and got poor marks in the other subjects. Phillips was ready for the answer. He was comfortable around Mr. Lemon as he liked him, and he said, "Sir, I have a troubled life." He went on explaining about his divorced parents, the police, the local gangs, the theft, the evils that he had been subjected to. Mr. Lemon listened patiently, and when he was done, he responded, "Mr. Phillips, there is something wrong with the list of your problems. You are not on it." He explained that the only person responsible for your situation is you, and the person with the potential to change your situation is also you yourself. And if you don't accept the responsibility, you will never be able to change your life. He said that he failed not because he was a failure, but because he was not accepting the responsibility for his poor marks in the other subjects. Mr. Lemon was the first person to make Phillips believe in himself. And he inspired Phillips to become a better student that changed his life. 10 years later, Phillips tried to talk to his teacher again. It had taken him weeks of telephone calls to reach him, but Phillips knew what he had to say. When he finally got to speak to his professor, he thanked him for his brutal honesty and how he finally graduated from the high school. He was too happy to announce that today he was a proud sergeant staff in the army, and how he had married the woman of his dreams and was blessed with a beautiful daughter. How he had been saving up money to invite his professor and his wife to be part of his graduation at his own expense, and how he wouldn't have done all of these if he hadn't met him in the school. He will never forget his professor's response. Mr. Lemon said, "Who is this again?" Well, Mr. Phillips was just one of hundreds of students that Mr. Lemon had inspired and which lives had been impacted by Mr. Lemon. Today, Rick Phillips is a famous veteran of 6 decades and has founded Phillips Sales and Development in 1984. Perhaps we forget to realize how we impact others' lives or how our lives are being impacted by others. But if there is a positive impact, there is also a negative impact. It is not just black and white. There are different shades of grey. On a personal level, I would recall the days in my school when my few classmates empowered me. Those classmates who used to bully me, yes, they taught me that there are such people you will meet in life who may bring you down and make you feel unwanted, but you should know when to speak and when to not speak. I took it as an opportunity and empowered myself, and today I'm strong enough to deal with bullies. So ladies and gentlemen, people may approach you expectedly or unexpectedly. The people's power can be positive or negative. They are like opportunities. The way you deal with them decides your fate. They make you, they break you, but the good part is that they teach you. The good part is that they teach you. When they empower us, it is important to learn. There's no point in regretting and being sad. You should take the lesson and live. And therefore, you should learn the lesson and the world is in your hands. I would like to support my speech with this famous quote. In life, there's a purpose for every person you meet. Some are there to test you. Some will use you. Some will teach you. And some will bring out the best in you.